Starting at number 5, we have the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA-24S 7.1 inches SS folding knife.
The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use, the 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops liner lock folding knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
Moving on at number 4, we have the Smith & Wesson Border Guard 10 inches high carbon SS folding knife.
The Smith & Wesson SWBG2TS Border Guard Liner Lock Folding Knife is 10 inches long and bridges the gap between folding and fixed blade knives. 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel is used to create the 4.40-inch partially serrated clip-point Tonto blade, ideal for any tactical or EDC cutting task. Open the blade with the ambidextrous thumb knobs. The handle, crafted from black aluminum with Track Tech inserts and finger cutouts, includes a strap cutter. This is the Smith & Wesson SWBG2TS, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
At number 3, we have the Kingmax Pocket Knife, Multi-Tool Tactical Knife.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas.
At number 2, we have the SOG Small Fixed Blade Knife.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
And finally at number 1, we have the Master USA MU1119BK Tactical Neck Knife.
From Master USA, a brand of master cutlery, this item is the MU1119BK. Okay, the BK is the black model. It also comes in 3 other models, RB, GC, UC. Those are all different styles. The UC, for example, is urban camouflage. Now I see this knife has a very pointed Tanto tip design, excellent as a last-ditch defensive option. Also has a recurve. Now the total length is 6 3/4 inches, whereas the edge length is 3 1/2 inches. Now this is stainless steel, one piece, full tank construction, obviously, with a skeletonized handle. It has an extremely innovative sheath design, because this part right here fits into that indent in the sheath, right, and it gives you a very, very secure sheath, which then allows you to mount this all right, handle pointing downward on military webbing, all right, as well as to use it as a neck knife. However, this hard plastic sheath also contains, right, features a belt clip, right, so you can clip it on your belt or inside a pocket. So truly many different carry options with this deployment. Very easy. Now overall, this type of design, it's meant to be slim. It's meant to be easily carried. It would be great for military use, for self-defenders, as a backup to a firearm. But overall, excellent, efficient design and an excellent value.